combination chart is the combination of two different chart types. So an example of this might be a column chart with a line chart superimposed on it.
This can be useful when you're comparing things of two different magnitudes. So if we took the revenue and costs that we previously had, but now we want to show the units sold as well, which is a much lower number, we can still show that effectively by using a combo chart. So there we go. We'd still go and change the formatting, but you get the gist. We're seeing revenue, we're seeing costs as columns, and then as this line, we're seeing units sold. And we may even go on to show that on a different axis to make it more clear. We can do that by formatting the chart, change chart type. And so we have revenue, costs. We actually had that blank line in there, which we probably shouldn't have had. And units sold. So we want to show this on the secondary axis, which is going to put it on the right side. And the impact that will have is that it will kind of lift up that line and make it more prominent. There we go. So we can format this axis and this axis independently, and only this data series is plotted on the right-hand side axis. And that's a useful way to use a combo chart to compare these high numbers against these lower numbers of units sold.